How to add view in browser link in MailChimp. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add view in browser link in MailChimp. So how do you go about this? The first thing to do is to log into your MailChimp account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in into your MailChimp account, you'll navigate through to your campaigns page. The campaigns page is located by the left side of the screen. Just go ahead and click on it. So once you click on it, you'll be directed to the page where your campaigns are. And then after that, you can just go ahead and click on create new. That is if you want to create a new email. But if you want to edit a previously existing email, you can just come over here, like you scroll down and then click on edit. All right. So once you click on edit, you'll be redirected to another web page. Here you'll be asked to go ahead with editing the email. All right. So like by setting to like this, adding your recipient, where is the email coming from, the subject of the email, the time, and all that. So just go ahead and select design email, and then once you're on this page, you will notice that on the template for designing, the first box, that is the first content box, is seen as view this email in your browser. Yes, view this email in your browser. So this is what we'll be dealing with in this tutorial. Okay, so for you to be able to add view in browser link in MailChimp, just come over here and then you can edit this. Just come over here and edit this. Most times it's always left as this, like it's always left as view this email in your browser. So once you've gotten this, highlight it the way I just did, and then move over to, and then look for the link icon. Yes, link icon, as you can see it has been highlighted. Just click on the link icon. Once you click on the link icon, you will see text link to web. Yes, of course, web browser. So to be on web. And then if this box in your own is empty, just go ahead and enter in archive, just like as you can see on my screen. Yeah, ensure that there's a writing there and it's archive. So once it's on archive, just go ahead and click on save. So that is it. Once like that, once you click on save, your once you click on save, and then you go ahead to fill in the writings, what you want people to see in the email, and then you send it to your recipient. Your recipient will be able to view this email in your browser by clicking on the view this email in your browser link. It is that simple. So go ahead and add view in browser link in MailChimp today. Thanks for watching.